Jodie Williams, that was bloody brilliant.
Thank you.
We talked earlier on about the 200 metres and how you ran so well the other day, but you didn't get out. You really got out today.
Yeah, had a lot of stern words from my coach Christine before going in. She threatened me a little bit if I didn't run the bend with some horrible sessions, so I thought I better just go for it. But I knew, like, if I didn't go for it in the bend, then I wouldn't have a chance of winning it. I knew all these girls are so strong. Everyone's run so well this year, so I knew I just had to go for it and hold on for dear life, really, and that's what I did.
Because you had two girls behind you, both ran under 23 seconds. They're disappointed not to win. I mean, it's amazing the standard of the sprinting of the British women at the moment.
It's incredible. I think that makes it so much better, knowing that sprinting is going so well in the UK at the moment. Everyone's running crazy times. We've never had this many people under 22, 23 before. Like I said, I knew they were going to be after me, so I had to just go for it.
And you just ran 300 off your personal best in freezing cold weather and into the pouring rain. So what does that tell you can run?
I'm really hoping I've got something special in there. I know it's coming. I'm just waiting for the right day, really. Hopefully you'll see it at Europeans or Commonwealths. Do it on the day, But yeah, I know I've definitely got something in there, but we'll have to wait and see.
I remember we talked to you at Moscow last year, and you said it was your first real senior championships outdoors, and you said, "Oh, no one knows who I am," and there's all these big names. Well, of course they know who you are. Do you think everyone knows who you are now?
Do you know what? I still don't think this. Whenever I go, like when I was in Oslo and I was racing against all these amazing athletes, and I was just like, they're just like, it's so weird seeing all the people you used to watch on TV look up to compete, and suddenly you're in the name next to them, all racing for the same title, and it's a bit overwhelming at times, but it is amazing. It's a really weird feeling.
But I can promise you, they're all looking at you and going, God, that's Jodie Williams in the lane next to me. They're scared of you as well, and even more so after this weekend.
Well, you never know. I hope so. It'll be handy.
And you've still got 100 metres to go?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, well, listen, good luck. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in Zurich.
We will.
Bye.